Are you tired of wasting time and material trying to print on bucket the wrong way? In this video, I'm going to show you the best method on how to print on bucket.
The first thing we need to do is to lay our artwork on the mesh. As you can see, we have already laid the artwork on the screen. Screen is the same thing as mesh. So then we place it to our light source. You can use any light source. It can be UV, any light source. It can be sunlight like this. We place it to the sunlight for the appropriate time. Then we continue with the exposure process. We are trying to confirm how well the details comes out from the mesh. Then we continue the exposure process. Then we observe the details again before printing. Everything come out perfectly. As you can see, our printing is very sharp. Let's continue with the printing process. If there is anything you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.